Hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today we're going to be working on our farmhouse style kitchen decor. In this design, I'm going to be using 3 of these little wood plaques that I purchased for $1 each on my Goodwill haul. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take and apply 2 layers of the black chalk paint to the top of the pictures. After this dries completely, I'm going to take just a sanding block and just sand around the edges to remove just a little bit of the paint. Now I'm going to take my little paper stamps, and if you would like to see how I made these paper stamps, leave a comment below. This is a fun and simple technique that you can use just to make a stamp to apply to pillows, to wood, to glass, and they are disposable because they usually kind of tear a little bit after you use them a few times, but it's an inexpensive way that you can get the look that you want. What I do is I usually trace out a couple of them, and that way I have a few of them for backup. And you can see how it just gives just a rough faded image of the little pig and the chicken and the cow. And if you would like to see this technique, once again, just leave in the comments below, and I may be sharing this on here, or I may have more details about it on my blog starting next week. Now I ended up using like a pair of scissors to just lift the paper up off of there, but a pair of tweezers would work really well. And I'm just using a little wine cork here to just kind of pat it down. Now I'm going to take these felt letters, and I can't remember, I think I got these either at Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. I think both of them actually carry them. And I at first put some white chalk paint on there, but I had to go over with the black and then apply white on top of that. And I really like these because they have the sticky back, and you can just peel the paper off and just stick them right on there, which that's what I'm going to do because I actually may repurpose this in the fall for our fall or Christmas decor. But these letters are just a fun and simple way that you can get your wording onto your signs. And I love how they have a really aged look to them. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this thick rope to the back of our signs. And I just used one of the long skinny dowel rods to make my line to go through so the rope would hang evenly on the back. This is a really fun and simple technique to give that farmhouse look to your wall hanging. I did put some E6000 underneath the hot glue for a more secure hold. And here I took one of my little Dollar Tree rolling pins and just flattened that down really well. Now I'm just gonna do really simple little rope bows in each corner of the little wood plaques. Now there are hangers already on the back of these pictures, but I'm gonna put one of my little rope hangers right in the center. Well, there we go, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial of the farmhouse kitchen sign. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you do so. And remember, if you would like to see how I made these paper stamps of the little farm animals, just leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.